Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. It's day 29, the next to last day of the 30-day drawing challenge. Today and tomorrow I'm gonna be sketching this Rusty Duncan, the protagonist of Sunnyvale Stories. Want to see more about him? Just check the link below. Alright, I always like drawing a nice framework here under my artwork. Just going to do a basic headshot of the character. There we go. Now all we gotta do is just add in those 3 black tabby stripes of his. Rusty is a silver tabby, of course. Alright. And there we are. Rusty is finished. Well, that does it for this day of the drawing challenge. Join me tomorrow for the last and final day of the 30-day drawing challenge. Just hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button to be notified of new videos. And if you want to see more of Rusty here and company, just check out Sunnyvale Stories at the link below. Until tomorrow, it's me, Max West, saying goodbye.